So the workers invited us to taste it, to have lunch with them, and it's a very good soup that we're eating. There's pork in it, right? Pork and a couple other things. What else? Noodles. Maybe who?
Maybe some kidney and yucca. There's yucca.
I don't think there's kidney. But here's their kitchen. They're doing very well, and they have rice. They always eat rice. Every meal they eat rice, and everybody's eating good. There's the plumber and the tile man. So they use propane burning stove. And ¿cómo se llama?
Orlando.
¿Cómo se llama?
Franklin.
Franklin.
Those are the painters. ¿Cómo se llama?
Franklin.
You too? Franklin.
Yes.
Okay, the plumber. ¿Cómo se llama?
Sergio.
Sergio, yes, I know Sergio. Okay, so their names are pretty easy. Some names I have a rough time with. But so we're having a nice meal with them. Fred's still working.